Lightweight and compact size. Convenient and user-friendly operation. Easy to operate. The portable QQ Spot Welder machine is a high-precision welding system integrating quasi-continuous wave QQ fiber laser technology. Don't underestimate this machine, it has now been upgraded to a dual-mode welding and cutting machine. In addition to handling precision welding in complex scenarios, it can also perform efficient cutting tasks. With its 2-in-1 capability, it fully meets your processing needs.